Oh, this is Harry J from Ask Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we set up language or add new language to your Samsung Galaxy S20 cellular phone. Okay, without any further ado, unlock your phone. Then you have to go to setting option in the drawer. In setting, you have to find this option. Let's see. It's called general management. Okay, language and input. Hit this one. At the top you have language input option. You see language United States and Spanish. Okay, it's fine. I hit add more language one. I can put let's see, Frances. That means French. Here we go. Okay, it's done. French I think is added. No. I hold this one. Which type of French? Canadian, France. I put French from France. Set keep current, and I want to put this one here. You see keep current, that means English as a front language. Now I will slide this one to the top. That means French is the first language. I hit back. I have everything in French. Okay, let's go inside. Spotify is Spotify. Clock become her logo. Gallery. I am not a French speaker. It's close to Spanish although. Okay, not the same. So everything is here. I think it's French. Now we go to settings. Setting is parametre. I hit this one. Okay. Now I go back again. That was advanced. This one was Tempas something, I think. Sorry, no, they're killing me with the French. Okay, gesture globale. Okay, I think that is langue e, whatever that is. I can understand little bit here, so I put English. I touch here. English as I put applica, that means English I put as I go back to English. Okay, so this is very easy tutorial. You can change your language. This is for beginner. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.